Mia loved to dream. She dreamed of painting colorful murals on tall city walls. She dreamed of opening a cozy art cafe where people could sip coffee and create. She dreamed and dreamed and dreamed. But every morning, her dreams stayed tucked away in her sketchbook, hidden behind closed pages. One day, her younger brother Leo asked, "Mia, why do you only draw in your notebook? Why not paint them for real?" Mia laughed softly. "Oh, that's just a dream, Leo. But dreams don't come true if they stay asleep," Leo said with a grin. That night, Mia couldn't stop thinking about his words. The next morning, she grabbed her brushes, paints, and courage. She went to the old library wall and began painting bright flowers, dancing birds, and golden sunbeams. Passers-by stopped to watch. Smiles spread. Someone even asked if she could paint a mural for their cafe. Mia realized something important. Dreams are seeds, but action is the sunlight and water that makes them grow. From then on, Mia still dreamed, but she also did. Message: don't just dream. Take action and watch your dreams come alive.